You know, I don't want to box myself into one genre, you know, because I am a musician.
Yeah.
At the day, yeah.
So recording as well. Are you recording? You have some records, piano records.
But I'm also dropping early next year. I don't want to say the date as yet, so people must look out for that. So yeah.
Yeah. So TDK Macassette is dropping an piano single, or is it an EP?
Piano single. I'm also dropping a bit of 3-step. So you must just watch out for that. TDK is taking it to the top.